Woodpeckers, members of the Picidae family, are a diverse group of birds characterized by their unique adaptations and behaviors. With over 200 species distributed across the globe, woodpeckers exhibit remarkable diversity in size, coloration, and habitat preferences. One of the most striking features of woodpeckers is their specialized anatomy, perfectly suited for their arboreal lifestyle. Their strong, chisel-shaped beaks are designed for drilling into wood, allowing them to extract insects hidden beneath bark and excavate nest cavities in trees. Additionally, their exceptionally long tongues, often extending several inches beyond their beaks, are equipped with barbs or sticky saliva to capture prey with precision. Woodpeckers possess sturdy, shock-absorbing skulls with spongy bone structures and thickened cranial walls, which protect their brains from the intense forces generated by their rapid pecking. This unique adaptation enables woodpeckers to repeatedly hammer their beaks against hard surfaces without causing injury. Their drumming, a rhythmic tapping sound produced by rapid pecking on trees, serves multiple purposes. It functions as a form of communication, allowing woodpeckers to establish territories, attract mates, and communicate with other members of their species. Additionally, drumming helps woodpeckers locate potential food sources hidden beneath the bark of trees. Woodpeckers are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, woodlands, savannas, and even urban areas. While some species are highly specialized and restricted to specific habitats, others are more adaptable and can thrive in diverse environments. These birds play vital ecological roles as both predators and ecosystem engineers. By controlling insect populations and excavating nest holes that are later used by other cavity nesting species, woodpeckers contribute to the health and diversity of forest ecosystems. In addition to their ecological importance, woodpeckers have long captured the imagination of humans with their distinctive appearance, behavior, and adaptability. From their striking plumage patterns to their acrobatic foraging techniques, woodpeckers are truly remarkable creatures deserving of admiration and study. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video.